There were long lines this week at the Virginia Beach Convention Center with people waiting their turn to get a vaccine. But the lines are even longer online. More than 40,000 people pre-registered online in Virginia Beach to get a vaccine in Phase 1B.
We're in this for a long haul, but help is coming. We've got a plan, and as vaccines come into town, we're going to get them into people's arms.
Virginia Beach EMS Chief Ed Brazel has been helping the Department of Health run the vaccination clinics. Another one is happening Saturday, meaning about 9,000 people will be getting vaccinated this week. And while many are waiting online, you have to have an appointment.
I encourage people to be patient. There's a huge pent-up demand out there for these vaccines, and we're working as hard as we can to get them in people's arms as they arrive.
They say if you are going to a clinic, do not arrive more than 30 minutes early, as that would add to long lines and you could be turned away. In addition, they say people have been showing up at the end of the day to try and get any leftover vaccines, but that's not how the process works.
Do not come to the site looking for an extra dose. We are being very careful with only drawing up what we need for the day.
The city manager says people over 65, teachers, public safety workers, and child care workers are the first priority in 1B. Then they'll start to get to other workers and people under 64 with health conditions. This whole process is expected to take a while.
You can understand that it may take a few months for us to complete Phase 1B vaccinations with the current supply situation that we have.
Other cities have been busy pre-registering people too. Norfolk says more than 16,000 people have signed up so far online. Chesapeake says the number is over 10,000. In Virginia Beach, the city manager says they're hoping to expand beyond the convention center eventually.
There's going to have to be work done to get pharmacies and physicians' office in play so that we can use other partners to get our constituents vaccinated.
But like many things in this process, it all depends on supply, which health officials hope will continue to grow. In Virginia Beach, Brendan Ponton, News 3.